welcome to KathyRUN Crochet. We're making a blue crop top today. You'll need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. For this project, you can use a yarn weight between light and medium. It's really your preference. For me, I used a medium weight yarn here that recommended a 4mm size crochet hook. I wanted a looser feel on my stitches, so I used a 4.5mm hook. I used about 3 balls of the 100% mercerized, did I say that right? Mercerized cotton. So it's been treated, and it's meant to kind of keep the yarn looking nice and shiny. If you don't want it to be shiny, you can opt out of that. I worked bottom up for this project, front and back. For the bottom ribbing, I used a slip stitch using the back loop only, and working up for the main body of the top, I used a half double crochet stitch using the back loop only. Those are two of my favorite stitches. I find that they're really easy and they give like a ridged feel, and it kind of gives that knitted look without knitting. So try these out if you like. You can always alternate the stitches. And by the way, if you are curious, on my hand I have henna. It was for a wedding I attended the week before.
Isn't she gorgeous?
Eventually it'll look like this. And this is what it looks like on me.